So my people, good morning, good afternoon, depending when you come across this video. See, if you never do hair cleansing for yourself, I no know what you see the way for you dey miss. Hair cleansing na be the best. Before you say you wan start to dey do anything concerning spiritual things, first you suppose to do na be this hair cleansing. You no suppose to play with am. Most times wey be say you see yourself dey, you just wake up, you no even understand your body, you no even know, everything just tire you. Wetin you suppose to do na to carry egg, buy raw egg, and you just need just glass, this glass wey you dey see so, this glass cup so na you just need. So I go show you how you go take come across am. I just dey use this video I first use am do one thing, take do the way wey some people take dey talk say e no real and all. And the one wey I do that day, that one show say my spirit, as in something dey wrong for me. So I go still tell you how you be say you go take solve the issue, and wetin be say you go do and wetin you no do. So now na the video don start. Wetin you just need, you need glass, empty glass cup, and egg, raw egg. So you need salt. You need ground pepper also, ground pepper. So I go tell you how you take use all those ones, so and so ground pepper. So you still need alligator pepper. So I go show you now the alligator pepper now. Alligator pepper like seven seed for inside, na you go use for inside. So now first, now na to carry the egg. Na to carry the egg. So na to carry the egg, you carry the egg, you use am rub all your body. Just na body you use am rub. Na your body you use am rub. So just wait, see how I want to use am rub all my body everywhere. So just first use am cleanse all your body, cleanse am. See how I take dey cleanse am? Cleanse your eye, cleanse your face, your head and all. Cleanse your everything, just cleanse everywhere. So just cleanse am, everything, cleanse am go down and all. So your hair, everything, your leg and all, cleanse am. The best cleansing na be egg cleansing. No play with am, no play. Anytime wey you see say you don be like say business no dey work, nothing dey work, you no understand, do hair cleansing. I get another person wey I go do. If I do that one, I go show you say the difference. I know say most people go argue for the comment section, say dem no believe. Na you come know about that one. So the next thing na to burst am inside that glass cup. After you burst am, you come give am like 20 minutes. So that 20 minutes, you go suppose to bring result. Suppose to dey see some tiny thing. Sometimes e go be like that spider man, that spider wey be say that robot, that spider. Na so e suppose to be. But when I do my own, I come see say issue, I no really too get issue like that. So because I no really know wetin dey happen these days, when I take do this video, my business no dey move, money no dey, things just get, I get things to say, I get everything. E be like say my customer no dey see anything. So when I do, I come see say okay, sometimes business really dey be like that, but I come relax. So after the 20 minutes don minute, as far as you see say everything don be like this, you see say that thing don spoil jam. How you take make sure say you finish and make sure say all those things, maybe bad luck wey dey your body, anything, hatred wey dey your body wey you wan take do am, you put salt, put like seven small salt, put alligator pepper like 7. See when I dey count alligator pepper, like 7 seed na you put for inside. While the pepper just sit put na 3 spoon anyhow, just sit put. So the next thing after you do am finish, na to go pour dem put for, if na toilet o, like where I dey now, I no get where I wan pour am for, no this na toilet I go flush am out. So na estate like that, I no get where I wan put am for dustbin no dey. So make e no even go dey smell for maybe where we dey put our waste bin, those kind thing. So I flush am out. So dem no dey fry am. I dey hear say most people say they use their eye finish, they go fry am. No fry am. See when I dey put salt. After you don put salt, put alligator pepper, everything. Make sure say you use spoon take screw am together, screw. So you throway am, go make sure say you go put am for, if una get dustbin o, you trash am. But if you no get dustbin, e be say na estate e dey, be say no dustbin, you go put am for na 27. Na so e reach. So who believe make e do, who no still believe make e rest. So but I go still tell you say hair creasing na the best. So na bye.